Namaste. Hello everyone. My name is Manisha Chopra. I am a nutritionist and a fitness expert. How do you maintain the weight which you have lost? Very good question and a very tricky one. Unfortunately, बहुत लोग lose करते हैं weight but सारा weight gain कर लेते हैं. In fact, only about 20% of dieters who start off overweight end up successfully losing weight and keeping it off in the long term. It's only 20%. क्यों होता है ऐसा? बहुत सारी डाइट्स बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्ट्रिक्शन में होती हैं, रिक्वायरमेंट्स बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं, which is very difficult to keep up. Additionally, many people don't have the right mindset before starting a diet, which may lead to weight regain. अब क्या करें? कुछ पॉइंट्स ऐसा देखते हैं, कुछ ऐसे पॉइंट्स निकालते हैं कि जिससे हम कोशिश कर सकें कि जो हमने वेट लूज किया है हम उसको मेंटेन करके रख सकें. सबसे पहले, डोंट ट्राई एंड गो ऑन अ फैट डाइट्स. डू अ प्रोग्राम विच इज लॉन्गर सस्टेनेबल इन लाइफ. Go for a program which is nutritional more, which you can continue for next 10 years. First point which I would like to tell, exercise. कम से कम आधा घंटा daily. You need to exercise to promote the weight maintenance by helping balance your calories in and calories burnt. Self-weighing may aid weight maintenance by keeping you aware of your progress एंड पैटर्न्स. बहुत ज़रूरी है, अगर आप डेली ना करें या हफ्ते में एक बार अपना वेट चेक करें तो दिमाग में आपके रहता है कि हाँ मेरा वेट बढ़ गया और मुझे दोबारा उसको कंट्रोल करना है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू वे योरसेल्फ. इट इज़ लाइकली दैट यू विल इनकाउंटर अ सेटबैक और टू आफ्टर लूजिंग वेट. हमेशा होता है, आप 5-6 किलो लूज करते हैं, थोड़ी देर के बाद, थोड़े दिनों के बाद जब आप अपने वापस रूटीन में आते हैं तो 1-2 किलो वापस होता है. That mental stress should not be there. You can overcome setbacks by planning ahead and getting back on track right away. The most important is that you need to get back into the track right away. It is important to keep stress levels under control to maintain your weight, as excess stress may also increase risk of weight gain by stimulating your appetite. Now, maintaining a weight loss is simple when you are consistent आपके नए हेल्थ रूटीन्स के साथ, हैबिट्स के साथ, rather than going back to your old lifestyle. बहुत आसान है वेट लॉस when you make sustainable lifestyle changes जो आप हमेशा कर सकें, rather than following the unrealistic rules that many weight loss diets focus on. Now, the bottom line for everything is diets can be restrictive and unrealistic, जो कि हमेशा वेट गेन या वेट रीगेन कर देता है. However, there are plenty of simple changes you can make to in your habits that are easy to stick and will help you to maintain your weight loss in the longer time. Through your journey, you will realize that controlling your weight, it involves more than what you eat. Exercise, time पर सोना, time पर उठना, and the main important is your mental health. It plays a very vital role. Now, it is possible for weight maintenance to be effortless if you simply adopt the new lifestyle जो आपने, जिसके वजह से आपने वेट कम किया है. अगर आप उसी लाइफस्टाइल को मेंटेन करते हैं throughout, you will never go back into the weight gaining mode. You will never ever gain that weight back if you maintain that lifestyle throughout, and rather than going on and off weight loss diets. Till then, take care. Bye bye.